Fresh berries and chia seeds, they're both fantastic for you, so I thought why not put them together to make a little spread for a breakfast. So in a pot, I'm going to add my berries. Now, I'm using a combination of fresh blueberries and raspberries. Have a look at these stunning fresh blueberries. They are huge, look at them. Fantastic to snack on just like this, but like I said, I'm gonna make you a little spread. So in with our berries, 2 punnets of the blueberries, and also our raspberries. So 2 punnets of the raspberries. Look how fresh they are. For me, raspberries are the smell of summer. They're just divine. So in they go. If you like, you could also use some fresh strawberries and fresh blackberries. Totally up to you. I'll add just a small splash of water. This is just to get them started with the cooking process. Don't add too much water because they will release some liquid. The chia seeds, a small amount of chia seeds, sprinkle that over the top, and a hint of sugar to really accentuate the sweetness of the berries. Give that a bit of a toss, and we'll put that onto a medium to low heat, not too hot, and just let that bubble away and break down. All right, this spread is ready. I have allowed it to cool completely, and just have a look at this gorgeous colour. This is why I love cooking with berries. Just stunning. And look how thick it is. That's because of the chia seeds that I've added. Now, the longer it sits here, the softer and fluffier the chia seeds are going to be because it's going to absorb all of the liquid from the berries. So do let it cool down. You can pop it in a jar and then into the fridge. And my favourite way to serve this is with some hot toast. I have some buffalo ricotta, and we'll spread a generous amount of that onto our toast. Oh, this is going to be very good. Then with our chia seed and berry compote, we'll just drizzle that over the top. And this would be fantastic as a base for a crumble. You could use it as a sauce for many different desserts, or like I'm doing here for a little brekkie spread. Now, delicious as is, but if you happen to have a few berries, why not add a few more on top? So fresh raspberries, we'll just let them poke out and just add a few blueberries too. Pop them around, as many or as little as you like. And that right there is a gorgeous breakfast celebrating fresh raspberries and blueberries.